Hey guys, welcome back, Ripley Adventures. We got another fun little activity that we're doing today on our vacation. We're back at Gooseberry Falls. The kids are going to be running their boats down another waterfall we found. Bowden, come here, bud. So we have these pile of boats that they can play with, and they each picked one specific boat they want to run. Bowden, why'd you pick that boat?
Because it floats.
It floats? That's the only reason?
One, because I think it should float. It might tip over though, but it still float. And then I'm going to show you a different kind of boat. It's called a BB boat.
Okay, so let's, what we're gonna do is we're gonna run the boats way up at the top of the falls, and we're gonna be coming right down here, and they're gonna be running through this pool. And the first boat to make it all the way to the end of these rapids is gonna be deemed the winner. They gotta make it down there. Okay, should we see how it goes? Let's start up here. So Bowden decided to change his boat. The other one wasn't heavy enough. Brindley's sticking with the original boat, and we're gonna come up here. Okay, I'm gonna have you guys stand at the top, and we're gonna follow your boats down.
Oh, that's so warm. That's so warm.
Okay, Bodie. Brindley, careful, careful. Why don't you start right up at the top with Bowden? Right up here by the rapids. And we're gonna see whose boat makes it all the way down first. We're gonna have to move kind of fast down, Brindley. You need help, Bodie? Hey, Brindley. I'll tell you when to go. Or should we move it up here a little bit further? Look at that pretty waterfall, absolutely beautiful. Grab it! Brindley, grab it! You're doing good, Bowden.
I'm gonna put my weight up here.
Oh, it's got to go under that tree? Okay, ready, set, go. Now, Brindley, you're going to have to follow us.
Oh, okay, my boat is going down.
Bowden, you're winning, dude.
I'm winning the race. There you go.
Brindley's down. Ah. Oh, yours is sinking, Bowden. What's it doing? No, they're stuck in the whirlpool. Here they go. Watch out, Brindley. There goes Bowden. Ah! Brindley, get out of it. Brindley's is catching up. Bowden, come here, bud. Yours is stuck.
I'm stuck too.
Brindley, don't send her down yet. Wait for Bodie. Yours is wedged. Slow down.
It's so slippery.
I know, slow down a little bit. Yours is wedged in the rocks.
That's the slippery one.
What side are you going to send her on?
Left
Okay.
side.
Okay, Brindley, go ahead. You're good. You're good. Okay, you're going way too fast, you guys. You guys are going way too fast. Slow down. Just slow down, Bowden. Heads up. Oh, just let him float down. You're fine. No, you're good. You gotta get her in the current, Bowden. Okay. Keep her going, dude. You gotta get down to the waterfall.
I gotta go. I can't go. I don't.
Bowden, drop it, dude.
What's going to do? Gotta go by the waterfall.
I don't know. I don't know how fair.
It's sucking me down.
I don't know how fair the boat race was. There's a lot of grabbing the boats.
Oh no, this is not good.
Brindley, I'll deem you the winner. Bowden, you saved your boat? Bowden didn't want to lose his boat. Are you trying yours? You gonna throw her in? Are you done? You got her, Brindley? Brindley's stuck at the bottom of the waterfall. Where's the boat, Brindley?
I got it! Oh my goodness!
You were the winner. Congrats. We hurt our butts. We did a lot of cool things. Was it fun?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Later.